Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 2 trades. Today's date is October the 16th. Now these 2 trades were based on high impact news. So let's go and take a look at the news. Okay, right here, Friday, October the 16th at 8:30 a.m. There was core retail sales and retail sales here. They're both green. Green means we're buying the USD. So if we're buying the USD, that means on both the euro dollar and the pound dollar, we're going to be selling it. So I took the trades about 2 minutes before the news, 8:27, 8:28. And I ended up selling it for 2 particular reasons. A, in real time, I didn't know that we're going to be buying the US dollar, but I recognize that I'm very far away from the moving averages. And as a general rule, I don't like to be buying that far away. And just to let you know that I'm now officially using the new platform. It's the GCI Financial platform. Now for you traders who live in North America, especially in the Eastern time zone or the New York time zone, the last candle right here is exactly the same time that is on the clock. So it's showing 9:15 and the next candle will be 9:30. So that's 9:15. It's actually 9:24 at this point in time. I did take the trade as I said, I took the trade a couple of minutes before, and it was about 9 minutes after I closed out the trade for a little bit more than a half an hour. Get in, trade the news, and close the trade. But the reason why I closed it was I knew I wasn't going to grab a lot of pips, mainly because of the fact that this immediate trend right here is up. So I could have called this video how I traded pullbacks to the moving averages, but I ended up, I'm going to call it how I traded core retail sales. So now what I actually did do on both the euro dollar and the pound dollar, I dropped it down to the 5 minutes so that I can get a nice clear picture. And again, it was still far enough away from the moving averages, so I sold it. Let's see, euro dollar, let's see where I got in at. I sold it here, and for another reason I sold it is because it's hit the ADR. That's why this line is thick red. The ADR on the euro dollar is 50 pips, and it actually went 53 pips. So when I actually took the trade, and I'm about to show you how powerful the timing indicator is down here. This timing indicator is red along with the HA bars. Now I jumped the gun a little bit quick. I should have waited till I saw this perfect doji. Well, to tell you the truth, I wanted to get into the trade before the news came out, so I had to take the trade here. But I noticed that it went a little bit against me, but it would not break the top here. And as you can see, my stop is here. That's the stop. And let's see now. Took the trade at this cursor, sold it. Went against me, looks like about 4 pips. And I closed it out here when I saw this doji. Just because I know that the overall trend is up. And if I wasn't doing this video, knowing that the fact that the trend is up, could have easily bought it in this general area and be making another 9 or 10 pips. So let's see, I got sold it here and I closed it at this point. Looks like with 11 pips, and 11 pips on the euro dollar, paid $1,100. Now remember, you don't have to get a lot of pips. 10 or 20 pips a trade can pay huge dividends. So remember, this is just trading a pullback, and we are only selling at this point because of the news that kicked in, which is what pushed it down back to the goal line. And of course, bouncing off of this area and this area qualifies for a great way to trade. But I am done trading for the day. I'm usually done between 9 and 10 in the morning, and I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want, and it's usually talking to traders. Yesterday I talked to 4 traders, and I've already got 2 traders who want to talk to me as soon as I am done this video. Also keep in mind that the euro dollar and the pound dollar, they are closely correlated. In other words, if one goes down, there's a high probability the other one will go down. So let's take a look at this pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, let's see where I got in at. Remember, if one goes down, high probability the other one will go down too. And of course, the AO here is stair-stepping down, and it's red. I teach exactly how to trade this way within the training videos. So right at this cursor here, and I had to get in the trade before the news because I didn't know how fast they would move. But as you can see, it did not move super fast, as they are all relatively small candles. But powerful enough to drop it, which is, I sold it, that's what I want, it to go down. So that's where I pull the trigger, and then everything lines up right here. So another good entry would have been right on the goal line, but I got in on the quicker side at this point. Went against me 3 pips, and for no particular reason, as I've said many times, when I'm happy, I close the trade. So when I was looking down at the bottom and saw well over $5,000, I was happy. And so with one click of the mouse, I have a script, one click of the mouse, and I closed all the trades. If I got 5 trades running or 10 trades, if you want to close all the trades with one click of a mouse, it's a script. I got it free on the internet. If anybody wants it, just send me an email saying that you are interested in getting the free script, and shoot me an email and I'll give it to you for free. Both with the source code also. So, and the EX4 file. Let's see, now I closed out the trade, it looks like, with 4 pips here. Sorry about that. This platform does not have the extra digit, so it's going to take me a little while to get used to it. Vantage has an extra digit. If you look over here, 1.2885, and a lot of platforms have 1 extra digit. So when you have 1 extra digit, that's 1/10 of a pip. So when it goes from 5, as you see right here, to 6, that's a pip. So this works out to 48 pips, and 48 pips on the pound dollar paid $4,800. And as you can see, looks like I got in almost perfect timing and out at almost, well, can't get much better than that. So that was 48 pips. Very happy for that. So pip total today was, looks like 59 pips, and it looks like it's bang right on for $5,900. And I am done well before 10 o'clock. It's only 9:30 now, and I'm done trading. And as I said, I've got the rest of the day to do as I please. So for all you traders who are watching me on YouTube here, if you want that script for free. Just send me an email and ask me for the script that closes everything that's open down here. It'll shut everything down. Pending orders, market orders, it'll automatically, one click. And I love it because, if I got 5 trades running, to manually click on the X, close, click on the X, close, I can do it with one click, bang, they're all done, super fast. And it gives you a great opportunity to lock in maximum profits. As you can see, this euro dollar doesn't mean it's going to go up to the top and break and keep going, mainly because it already hit the ADR here. Okay, so if your system is not producing like my Pro Trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. It's a Pro Trigger system. I do charge $250 for it. And keep in mind, it doesn't make any difference which trigger system you get. They all work fantastic. What is very critical and important is if you grab the newest and the latest trigger systems, I do a much better job at teaching how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. Now my trigger system here has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Would not trade without it. Now it comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and this is what you need, a lot of training and education to help you succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, so I do teach a lot of ways, and that's why I gave 42 training videos. This is where the value is. And keep in mind, once you learn how to trade the flow of the market, every system in the world will work for you. It took me 700 systems and over $70,000 to learn that. I kept saying, doesn't anybody sell a system that actually works? Well, what will work today, tomorrow may not work. And for years and years, I could never figure that out. And now I know why. It's because you got to learn how the market moves. And once you learn how the market moves, in other words, the flow of the market, then all the systems will work for you. So let's see now. My number one way of trading is a great way to trade. From back here, moving up, that is a great way. And from this point, this is just a pullback, which I teach exactly how to trade that way. It's the easiest and the fastest way to learn how to trade. It's a great way to trade. Within a week to 2 weeks, you can get the hang of it. It's quite easy. Now, within these 5 subjects right here, that's what makes this Pro Trigger version 2. Remember, version 1 does not have the MTF-AO here. So I've done between 12 and 14 videos. I'm not 100%. I can't remember because I've been doing a lot of videos lately. But I've done a lot of videos, namely these ones right in here, and of course how to trade the Pro Trigger version 2. And the subjects are in each and every one of these videos. I give a lot of advanced training and trading tips. I teach how to get near perfect timing entries. Also teach how to stay in the trade for more pips. Also teach how to trade at the right hand edge. That's where every trader, new trader, struggles with whether they should be buying or selling. I also teach how to trade higher time frames. Very easy to put the AO on a higher time frame and then click on the 1 hour, 4 hours. It takes only a couple of seconds to verify whether you should be buying or selling. Now it's okay if it's telling you to buy, but as you can see, there's nothing wrong with getting, 20 to 30 or 50 pips. I got 48 pips going against the trend. I learned that from my mentor about 15 years ago. Going against the trend, you can make pips, but you gotta be quick to close out the trade because it can easily continue. See this pullback right here? Very small. Look at a big move up. So going with the trend usually produces more pips than going against the trend. Also teach how to trade the Pro Trigger version 2. Now in many of the videos you're going to see dozens of great trade setups. I also teach how to back test the Pro Trigger, how to scan the market. I also teach how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. And also teach how to trade both the pullbacks, which was today, and of course how to trade reversals. If it breaks through here and keeps going completely the opposite direction, that's a reversal. And I also teach how to trade the news, which is what I did today. Haven't been doing that much lately, but when I saw this setup, I just knew I could grab some pips. And any time that I can get 50 or more pips a day, I would call that a very good trading day. And also teach how to trade with a day job. Now, if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I really do prefer Skype, and if you click on this link right here, we'll have a connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. Probably lasts about 45 minutes or so, depending on how many questions you have. Now, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and if you click on this link, you'll see 27 screenshots. So I believe that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, as long as I see appreciation and traders interested and subscribing to my channel, I'll keep doing these videos. So please subscribe. So that just, as I said, wraps up this video. And until the next trade, happy trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.